VU AK2000C Working Mode Introduction. AK2000C is a 3-axis stabilizer, separately tilt axis, roll axis, pan axis. Long press power button to power on the gimbal. The default mode is pan mode. Lens follows handle's left-right movement. Keep still in other directions. Single tap mode button or the corresponding icon on the screen to enter lock mode. Lens's orientation is fixed under lock mode. Double tap the mode button or tap the corresponding icon on the screen to enter follow mode. Pan axis and tilt axis follow the handle's movement. Roll axis keeps still. Triple tap mode button or tap the corresponding icon on the screen to enter all follow mode. All 3 axis follows the handle's movement. Press the trigger button to enter follow mode. Triple tap the trigger button or swipe the screen to the left. Tap selfie. Gimbal enter or quit selfie mode.